Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can download and install OnStream on Smart TV. If your TV at LG, Samsung or any Smart TV and you want to install OnStream, then you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, just you have to open your Smart TV and just activate Wi-Fi on your Smart TV. So after installing or after connecting Wi-Fi with your Smart TV, you have to enable unknown sources. For that, just navigate to Settings, Security and Restrictions on your Smart TV and enable Unknown Sources settings. You have to click on this Unknown Sources and turn it on. So after this, you have two methods that you can use install OnStream on your Smart TV, any some Smart TV. So first of all, the method 1, open the Google Play Store on your Android TV and download the Analytics app. This app includes a built-in browser for downloading APK files. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. Use the browser to visit the provided URL and download the OnStream APK file. Install OnStream APK on your Smart TV and enjoy it. So this is the method 1. In method 2, using a storage device, download the OnStream APK file on your computer or a mobile device. Transfer this APK file to a USB drive or any external storage. Connect the storage device to your Smart TV via an HDMI port. Install the APK like any other application on your Smart TV. So these are the two methods. You can use any of them. Thank you for watching.